to IPL UK and ZTV Republic Day celebration. Jai Hind!
Hi, my name is Kinjal Dave. My name is Ratika Birla.
This is Swati. My name is Sarika.
My name is Aram.
I am Mohan.
I am Jyoti.
I'm Aradhna Hate.
Alice.
मेरा नाम अनुपमा है और ये मेरा बेटा है, इसका नाम है
Harshal.
मेरा नाम आयरीन है.
My name is Taruna.
I welcome you all to IPL UK and ZTV's Republic Day celebrations here today. So when was the last Republic Day you celebrated? Frankly speaking, I don't even remember. Maybe when I was in my last years of school, maybe doing my 12th class in India. Oh, then I celebrated the Republic Day, and it was kind of maybe 15 or 20 years ago. So yes, that was the time. And today, when I celebrated the same event with the IPL and Z, it recalled all the memories that I used to have in my school time.
Oh, that was a long time ago, probably in school or maybe college. So I think this is a great platform where Lavina and ZTV has come forward with, and it was really nostalgic when Vande Mataram played and we all reminisced the olden school times. So it was a wonderful day and wonderful moment there. To be honest, when back in India we used to celebrate, but haven't attended much of it when we shifted to London in 2017, I guess. So after that, this one is the first one. And when we saw the invite, we were really excited, and we really want our son to see as well, because this is how you connect with your roots, and we really wants him to learn about Independence Day, Republic Day and everything. So yeah, this is the first one in London, and really looking forward for the event. Yeah.
I used to celebrate at home, just having a national anthem, singing the national anthem, looking at the flag hosted by Prime Minister or the President during Republic and Independence Day, but not like this. So it's really amazing, like we are part of this, and for my son, so that I am introducing the Indian culture to him being in UK.
Happy Republic Day.
Last year.
So we are very much patriotic. So every year we celebrate this Republic Day and Independence Day. So yeah, last year.
Here, I celebrated usually with my dad and my mom. In India, we would have some fireworks. Yeah.
So I celebrated just like we're celebrating right now. So it's a kind of a meet and greet community. We just meet all Indians over here, and that is how we feel, good about it. Yeah.
It's been a while because honestly, since we have moved here, we have not really gone for a Republic Day outing. So it's been really nice today. Otherwise, it's just been in and around with friends, nothing like this.
I celebrated Republic Day a few years ago. One of the grand celebrations in London near the High Commission. So this is the very happy moment for me to celebrate here in Harrow.
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, बिल्कुल एकदम इंडिया वाली वाइब्स आ रही हैं यहाँ रिपब्लिक डे को सेलिब्रेट करके. लास्ट टाइम मैंने कब करा था सेलिब्रेट, आई कांट इवन रिमेंबर. आई थिंक मे बी 10 to 12 years ago. बहुत साल हो गया, बहुत साल. तो जब मुझे इसके बारे में पता चला था, आई वाज लाइक नो, जाना है, यहाँ पर जाना है और करना है ये. और आज पार्टी में बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा म्यूज़िक था, और हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर तंबोला भी खेला, खाना भी बहुत अच्छा था, और ZTV की जो टीम जो है वो भी बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत ही मज़ा आया. और आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
मैंने रिपब्लिक डे काफ़ी सालों से सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो इंडिया हाउस में, वो जो ईलिंग रोड पे है, बट ये ILU ग्रुप के साथ पहली बार विद द जी विच इज़ होस्टिंग, और इट इज़ नाइस. अच्छा लग रहा है सबको साथ में मिलके सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. वी आर रिमेंबरिंग आवर कंट्री एंड वी आर सो प्राउड दैट वी आर इंडियन. इट वाज वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, एवरीबडी इज़ एंजॉयिंग. बच्चों ने काफ़ी एंजॉय किया, एंड इट इज़ नाइस मीटिंग एवरीवन. थैंक यू.
Zee TV's latest show Tumse Tum Tak and Lakshmi Nivas are doing really well. Lakshmi Nivas is one of my favorites. It's a really good family drama and I recommend you all to watch it. Ideabaz has been a great hit and a success, and that is my second favorite as well.
Lakshmi Nivas, it's a very good one. It should be watched by all the families together.
Ideabaz, there's a new show coming up called Lakshmi Nivas. Really looking forward to watch that one as well.
The Lakshmi Nivas recently, which I like the most.
My favorite show is Ideabaz.
Ideabaz, yeah.
Ideabaz is a show that I have been watching with my husband. There's another show called Lakshmi Nivas, which I really like. I think you guys should definitely have a look at it. Just like in Lakshmi Nivas serial, I also want to build a nice little dream home with my husband and my small little family. And which is one of the reasons why I really like watching that show.
Ideabaz. Tumse Tum Tak. That's amazing. I think there's a new show coming up last week, Lakshmi Nivas. I think I'm gonna start watching. Have you started watching it? I have heard about it, but I think so. I'm listening a lot about it from people, so I can start watching it. I'm gonna start watching it this year. I would recommend that one also. Yeah.
आपने कभी तुमसे तुम तक सीरियल देखा है क्या?
नहीं देखा है, लेकिन अभी मैं देखूंगी.
देखो जो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. And I highly recommend कि आप लोग को भी देखना चाहिए. और एक और वो नया सीरियल आ रहा है ना, क्या नाम है उसका? आपको याद है उसका नाम?
नहीं पता.
याद करने की कोशिश कर. हाँ, लक्ष्मी निवास. ये yes. I just remember लक्ष्मी निवास. Oh my goodness. आप देखोगे ना उसका लक्ष्मी निवास को? हाँ, definitely.
I will watch new series.
मैं जी टीवी के मैक्सिमम शोज देखती हूँ, जिसमें लक्ष्मी निवास मेरा फेवरेट है.
We also just started airing a new show called Lakshmi Nivas, which I think will be very close to people here, especially people in the UK who have come from India and trying to build a life here. The story actually follows a couple and their dream to build their own home and the challenges they face with the same. This is something that I think that everybody here can relate to.
लक्ष्मी निवास रोज रात 9 बजे यूके और 10 बजे CET आपके अपने Zee TV HD और ZEE5 ऐप पर.
Find Zee TV on Sky 707, Virgin 809, VT 394, and of course Zee Cinema as well. Sky 708, Virgin 810, and VT 395. And of course, both can also be streamed on the ZEE5 app, which is our OTT app, which I'm pretty sure you guys know because we recently gave out an exclusive discount for members of IPL UK. You can enjoy ZEE5 for just £3 for 3 months if you sign up before 15th February. So I think you guys should get on that as fast as possible. It's a great chance to get to dive into your favorite Indian shows, movies, and other originals that ZEE5 has. Thank you all for being here and making the event so special. Also, just want to say thank you to my colleagues Parul, who's not here, and Sharon for their support in organizing everything. And of course, thank you again to Lavina. IPL UK is such an incredible platform for all of us. We have some fun activities planned ahead, so let's enjoy. Wishing everyone a happy Republic Day.
Well, my dream home would be where the people I love with, we all reside together, and that is the most important thing in life that keeps you going. So my home would be that only.
We already have a dream house. We are living in it. We bought that one in I think 2018 or 2019, I think. So yeah, we are still like building it, and we already have it. Looking forward, yeah.
We got our dream house recently. If I'm building a new home, I would definitely want a big kitchen because a lot of cooking happens in my house. And I would also love a really pretty puja room because we are religious as a family. We would also like a big balcony or a garden because the sun here is very rare, but when it's out, it's lovely. So yeah, those are my 3 top things for a house if I ever build one here.
So my dream house would be like living in London, a nice detached house with 4-bedroom house where our kids would have a bedroom, and if we have guests coming up from India, we would have like nice facility for our guests, and obviously having kids, so like a good garden where kids can play. Yeah, that would be like my dream house.
My dream home will be with a very huge garden. Hopefully a space where I can have some dogs. I really love dogs. And near some parks. And yeah, I still don't know where though, but Hopefully, I'll find out. We'll definitely build a dream house very soon in the UK. Yeah, excited for that.
Oh, my dream home is a small villa with a garden, a beautiful garden, and a lovely swimming pool inside, and also a small place to play games and outdoor barbecues. You know, have a gazebo and barbecues underneath, and so outdoor and a mix of outdoor and indoor. That is my dream home.
India, definitely. Because India just feels like the place I was born, my place my granddad was born, my place where my parents was born. My whole ancestry is in India, so that's why I feel it's home.
Yeah, for me, definitely India is always be my home country, is always be my favorite place, and that is, I always belong to India.
India.
For me, it's now at a both place.
Yeah. Mummy home, India.
Yeah, so my parents and in-laws based in India. So for me, it's home is always India, and here we gather with some of the friends and family to feel like Indian. So like the way we are with the collaboration with the GTV, we are celebrating our Republic Day here. So we felt like we are in India itself.
My dream home would be where I feel solace, be it India, be it in the UK or London. So where I have peace of my mind and I get solace in life, that would be my dream home.
Home will always be India because I've been there for a really long time. I recently moved here, like last 4 years, and home will always be India. My family is still in India. My friends are in India. Everything is in India. So yeah.
To be honest, for me, home is India because I'm born and brought up there, and also the UK because I built a family of my own where my son is born here. I started a new journey as a married woman. So to be honest, after living in London for 13 years, I cannot choose. They both are my home.
For me, my home is always in India, but I want to live here 70%, but I want to live 30% in India. Quality time together with my extended family and friends. But I live in UK because professionally this is a better place for me at the minute. It may change, but I want a dream home in India. I want a dream home in the UK also.
What I believe a home is obviously emotions and people. That what really makes a home home. Otherwise, bricks and wall and paint and cement is everywhere. So emotions and family and people that are in the home, they make home.
So home to me is a place where you feel connected to every part of the house. So you have your own reading section, you have your own living room where you all can sit, watch TV, where you connect as a family, things you do together as a family, like a kitchen area where you all can cook together, eat together. You have a living area where you all can sit, watch TV comfortably. So that's home to me, which connects to the family.
For me, the family and the memory that we built in with the family member over there. So that is precious for me.
Family, loved ones.
So home is something which is like, it's kind of a house when we build it up, but when we start living together with our family, our happy place, so that is our home to me.
Home is all about family, memories, good times, good food, lots of laughter and happiness, and us together. Yeah, that's home.
So for me, the house means family, where all of my family members are happy, staying together, sharing their good ideas, sharing their lunches and dinners. Obviously, breakfast can't be possible. But yes, playing as I have small kids and spending good time with my husband. And obviously, when my parents come here, grandparents are also important for everyone in the house. So yes, if they can also join, for me that will be a dream house. Family is the most important.
लक्ष्मी निवास means कि घर. तो जब घर जो उस घर से आपका क्या मतलब है?
मेरे लिए घर मतलब एक फैमिली, हस्बैंड, वाइफ, चिल्ड्रन, मे बी सास ससुर, सब साथ में. घर मंदिर.
घर एक मंदिर. वाह, कहते ना स्वर्ग से सुंदर सबसे प्यारा है, इसने
प्यारा हमारा घर.
अपना घर जान साहब. अच्छा, तो आपको यहाँ पर या फिर बैक होम में, मतलब कहाँ पर आप प्रेफर करते हो घर?
नहीं, अभी तो मैं यहाँ पे रह रही हूँ 20 साल से, तो यही मेरा घर है, यही परिवार है.
सेम, मेरे को लगता है मेरे लिए भी यही हो गया है.
मैंने प्यारा सा हिंदुस्तानी घर बना के रखा है. आप मेरे घर आओगे ना, आपको इंडिया मिलेगा।
सच्ची में वाह, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हम अभी चल रहे हैं आपके घर की। हाँ,
So yeah, if the direction is quite powerful and it connects you at emotional level, I do really connect with them a lot emotionally. I think it should come at a level where you feel connected with the characters, with the roles they are playing. And when you're looking at a character like a lady in the house, and you see a woman who is working, who is handling the family and doing everything, so you feel connected to that character of the show. So that's really important, that the characters in the serial connects with your personality, the things you are doing, and then that's how I usually get connected with the shows. The biggest dream that I have achieved is evolving my own self and growing. So I think no particular dream can be there which you can specify, but I think every day you evolve and you learn something new and you grow. So dreams can always shift and change, but the self-growth and inner peace is most important. So yes, that is the dream I am trying to achieve every day. When I moved to UK, the biggest dream was to obviously achieve something professionally, and I'm moving forward towards it. When I got here, I was married, and having a family was part of it as well. And we welcome our son in UK, so that was quite nice. Yeah.
The biggest dream would be I'm a fashion designer, right? And UK is supposed to be the hub for fashion design. So I really wanted to land a good job, and I'm very happy about it. That's one of my big dreams that I had, of working in a company which I would aspire to work for. So yeah.
So I think my biggest dream was since uni just to find a place where I could have met a lot of friends and feel settled and stabilized. And I now arrived here 10 years ago, and I'm very, very happy with my life and my friends and everyone I met here. So yeah, I think I feel pretty satisfied. Don't know what my next dream is going to be.
Have you guys played Tambola or Halsi in India or here before?
Yes.
So are we all ready to start the game? 2, 8, 28. Ace 6, 86. Congratulations, Shiva. So the second and the middle line is gone now. Swati gets the first line. A big round of applause, guys. The next number is number 1. A big round of applause for Alice and Nikhil. So we now have the final 3 full house, and the number is 3131.
So a big round of applause for our first full house winner.
Taruna gets a first full house.
So a big round of applause for Shashi for our next full house.
Congratulations. So the next number is 6969, 4848.
So Ankur gets the third full house. A big round of applause for Ankur. How are you guys enjoying the event today? Going well? Yeah? The kids are enjoying so much. So lovely to see you all. And we have recently partnered with ZTV. They are our official entertainment partner. Z was the name in every household in the 90s. We thought, why not bring this ZTV back and have this again for all the members to reminisce ZTV, to tell our children what a channel it was, all the shows that we grew up watching on ZTV. So we have started hosting watch parties, movie nights, republishing celebrations, all to bring the community together and remind everyone ZTV is such a big name. It is even today. So let's watch some amazing shows on ZTV and have this party going. The whole idea of hosting these events is we're so busy with life, so much going on. Why not come together and celebrate our culture, remember our culture? When was the last time we all sang Jala Managar? I don't even remember when we did that. And when I sang, I got so emotional. I had teary eyes that, our culture is so beautiful, and it's so important for us to celebrate on days like that. And that's the reason all of us are here together. We all are looking wonderful, and I'm so excited to continue our event and who's from whole of people. Let's have some fun together. Thank you, everyone.
How was the whole experience of the party and the events we are attending? To be honest, I really enjoyed and I was so happy because my son is born and brought up here. So I brought my son to the event, and just seeing him holding the India flag just made me emotional, and I just wanted him to come to the event and resonate what is Republic of India is actually. So it's just a memory for me now, and I'll try and bring my son for such events because ZTV and IWL just helps us to make our kids aware of the culture of India.
Lovely celebrating Republic Day in the UK. We thoroughly enjoyed here. It was lovely meeting new people here. And yes, my mum is here from India. So we had a great time, and both of us won Tombola today, and we are really happy.
It was a very, very nicely organized show, like the event, and the GTV has provided very good kind of ambience, and it's a good food, good people, so it gives us a good feeling. Yeah.
Oh, I really love it. The arrangement has been very nice. Everyone's very friendly. It's just easy. We've actually come with my 6-month-old baby, so it's that friendly. So it's quite nice. We are happy about it.
Yeah, that's fantastic actually. I have to appreciate, how much effort you have put into celebrating this Republic TV and bringing all the people together and making it a memorable event for all of us.
I came here at the India Republican Day celebration with my friend Abhijit. I have to say it was brilliant. I really love Indians for the welcoming, vibrant vibe, and that is what this day felt like. And we did an amazing game that we do in Italy as well called Tombola. Was really nice, really enjoying, and yeah, watch out for the space.
मैंने ये फर्स्ट टाइम अटेंड किया है यहाँ पे यूके में। मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम अटेंड किया है ये, लेकिन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके, एंजॉय किया मैंने। तमोला में भी जीती हूँ मैं।
यहाँ पर आकर के बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। और अभी मतलब रिपब्लिक डे का एक तरह से यहाँ पर फंक्शन अभी खत्म होने वाला है, तो हम गोना से वंदे मातरम।
बहुत आभारी है, उन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया। एंड वी लुक फॉरवर्ड मोर एंड मोर ZTV इवेंट्स वेयर वी इंडियन लाइक सेलिब्रेशन हम आगे भी देखना चाहेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू एंड बाय बाय। हैव अ लवली ZTV।
जय भारत, जय भारत, जय भारत, जय GTV।
Bye bye ZTV from UK. One day Mataram. Bye bye.
Love from UK for ZTV from London.
Happy Republic Day to all of you, and I love ZTV.
Bye bye. Love GTV from the UK.
Bye, Vande Mataram.